will perish one day, but that God sent his son Jesus here to build a new kingdom and a new government that will last forever. A kingdom and government of justice and righteousness. And according to Isaiah the prophet, every person whose life is ruled by God's Son is part of that eternal kingdom and government. So my question to you this Christmas is not whether Christmas has found you healthy or sick, alone or together, full of or empty, sad or happy, suffering or prospering. Instead, my question to you this Christmas is whether Jesus, the Son whom God has given unto us, is the ruler of your life. If he is, then I encourage you to use this Christmas to show the love, justice, and righteousness you have freely received from Jesus to those around you. But if he is not, then I invite you to make Jesus the ruler of your life today, so that you can be part of his kingdom and government forever, to enjoy the joys of his kingdom long after the governments of this world have perished, long after death has claimed all of us, and long after there are no more Christmases for you to see. All you have to do is surrender. Surrender your life to Jesus by asking him to forgive you for all of the years and all of the ways you've been living in the kingdom of darkness and sin. Surrender your life to Jesus by asking him to include you in his kingdom of light and righteousness. Surrender your life to Jesus by asking him to be the ruler of your life, because Jesus is the only one who was born to die a death that you and I deserve, so you can be born again to live the eternal life he offers. I can personally testify that surrendering your life to Jesus is the best thing that can ever happen to you. Even though I am the president, head of state, head of government for the Republic of Malawi, nothing I do or have in this world will ever compare in value to the precious gift that Jesus gave me on that day at Mtendere Secondary School, when I surrendered my life to him and asked him to be the ruler of my life. I pray that you too will not miss out on this precious gift this Christmas. And I wish you a Merry Christmas.